This is how one faceless YouTube channel used just 4 AI-generated animal videos to hit 800K subs, 150M views, and make over 200K per month. And I'm breaking down the exact strategy so you can do it too. Let's start with the big picture, because this part is crucial. When you come across a YouTube channel that skyrockets from 0 to nearly 1 million subscribers in just a few weeks, it's natural to think it's some kind of fluke. Maybe they got lucky with the algorithm, or had some secret advantage you don't have access to. But here's the truth that most people overlook. It's not just one lucky break, it's a strategy. It's a repeatable system that anyone can follow, especially in the animal content niche. In fact, there are dozens of channels quietly racking up insane numbers using this exact approach. Some wild examples are, one channel hit 500,000 subscribers with only 40 videos. Another one pushed past 300,000 subs on just 50 uploads. These aren't overnight sensations. They're built on a blueprint that's working right now. The content is short, captivating, faceless, and powered by smart automation tools like AI video generators and voiceovers. What's even more exciting is that the animal adventure niche is still wide open. This isn't a space that's been oversaturated like tech reviews or beauty tutorials. There's still massive demand, and audiences are hungry for engaging, story-driven animal content. If you follow the system, focus on quality, and stay consistent, there's a real opportunity here to grow fast, much faster than most people think. Whether you're starting from scratch or pivoting an existing channel, this niche offers incredible potential to build something sustainable and profitable. So how do you actually get started? The first step is channel creation and branding. You want to stand out, and that means picking a catchy, memorable name and building a brand that viewers remember. The best way to do this is by leveraging ChatGPT. ChatGPT acts as an expert in creating branded YouTube channels. You prompt it for 10 unique channel name ideas focused on animal adventure shorts, using the exact language and structure shown in the tutorial. Once you've got your list, pick your favorite and ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized humane channel description that fits your chosen name. This isn't just about filling out your profile, it's about building a brand that's discoverable and memorable from day one. The video even shares the exact prompts to use, making this process foolproof. After finalizing my channel name and crafting a compelling description, I moved on to one of the most underrated but powerful elements of branding, creating a standout logo. This might seem like a small detail, but trust me, first impressions matter a lot, especially on a platform as crowded as YouTube. I wanted something that looked clean, professional, and instantly recognizable. So I started by asking ChatGPT to generate a highly detailed image prompt that matched my channel's tone and niche. With that prompt in hand, I headed over to Leonardo AI, which has quickly become one of my go-to tools for creating visuals. I selected the Leonardo Phoenix model, which consistently delivers sharp, eye-catching results, especially for logos. To keep things platform-friendly, I set the aspect ratio to 1:1, ideal for YouTube profile images, thumbnails, and even social media cross-posting. Within minutes, Leonardo AI gave me multiple logo variations, each one more polished than the last. And yes, each version included my channel name, styled in a way that aligned with my overall theme. I didn't have to settle. I picked the one that popped the most, downloaded it, and just like that, my branding was ready. This whole process didn't cost me a dime, yet the result looked like it came from a professional design studio. In a niche where presentation can be the difference between someone clicking on your channel or scrolling past, having a clean, professional logo sets the tone. It signals to viewers that you're serious and helps build trust from day one. Don't skip this step. It's one of the simplest ways to instantly elevate your channel's presence and credibility. Now comes the heart of the strategy: content creation. The viral animal channels aren't just posting random clips, they're telling stories. And each video is made up of 20 to 25 ultra-short scenes that keep viewers hooked from start to finish. To replicate this, you start by opening a new chat in ChatGPT and instruct it to act as an expert in viral AI-generated YouTube shorts. You tell it to create a 1-minute video composed of 20 to 25 scenes, and you describe your story idea in enough detail for the AI to understand your vision. Here's the genius part. You ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt, an animation prompt, and a sound effect prompt for every single scene. This means you're not just getting a script, you're getting a full storyboard ready to be brought to life with AI tools. The prompts are tailored for use in image and animation generators, and the video provides the exact prompt structure so you can copy it for your own projects. With your script and prompts ready, it's time to generate the images. The video uses a tool called Video Talk, but you can also use Leonardo AI for the image generation step. You copy each image prompt from your ChatGPT output, paste it into the image generator, and select the style and aspect ratio you want, usually 9:16 for shorts. The process is lightning fast, and you can batch all your scene images in just a few minutes. The result is a set of high-quality, visually consistent images that form the backbone of your video one. Next, you animate the images. In Video Talk, you select each image, paste in the corresponding animation prompt from ChatGPT, and let the AI work its magic. The recommended model for animation is Kling 1.6, which produces smooth, engaging results. You repeat this process for every scene, and because the workflow is so streamlined, you can have all your animations ready in under an hour. The video shows how easy it is to drag each animated clip onto the timeline, building your video scene by scene. The animation quality is high, and the process is simple enough for anyone to follow, even without editing experience. Sound is a huge part of what makes these animal shorts so addictive. For each scene, you use the sound effect prompt generated by ChatGPT to find or generate the perfect audio. Video Talk allows you to add sound effects directly to each scene, creating a rich, immersive experience for viewers. Whether it's birds chirping, leaves rustling, or dramatic music for a plot twist, the right sound can make your video stand out and keep viewers watching all the way through. Editing is the next step. Video Talk's timeline editor lets you arrange your scenes, trim clips, adjust timing, and add transitions or text overlays if you want. The video emphasizes keeping things fast-paced and visually dynamic. Remember, the goal is to maximize retention and engagement, which is what drives shorts to go viral. Once you're happy with the flow, you add any final touches, export the video, and get ready to upload. Before you hit publish, don't forget about SEO. The video recommends using ChatGPT to generate a keyword-rich title, description, and tags for your upload. This helps your video get discovered by viewers searching for animal content and increases your chances of landing on the short shelf. Consistent branding, high-quality thumbnails, and optimized metadata are all part of the formula for rapid channel growth. So, what's the secret sauce that makes this strategy work? It's the combination of storytelling, rapid content production, and leveraging AI for every step. By breaking your video into ultra-short scenes, you keep viewers' attention and encourage them to watch to the end. By using AI for scripting, image generation, animation, and sound, you can produce videos at a pace that would be impossible with traditional methods. And by optimizing every upload for SEO and branding, you set your channel up for explosive growth. The results speak for themselves. Channels went from 0 to 800,000 subscribers and 150 million views with just 4 videos, and others in the niche are seeing similar success. The animal adventure format is endlessly adaptable. You can create stories about different animals, settings, or even mix in educational or comedic elements. The key is to keep your content fresh, engaging, and visually appealing. With the right prompts and tools, you can batch produce videos, test new ideas quickly, and scale your channel faster than ever before. The best part, you don't need a big budget, fancy equipment, or years of experience. The video demonstrates that with just ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Video Talk, anyone can get started. The workflow is accessible, the tools are user-friendly, and the niche is still wide open for new creators. If you're willing to put in the work and stay consistent, there's no reason you can't replicate this success for yourself. As you move forward, keep experimenting with different story ideas, animation styles, and sound effects. Study what's working for top channels, but don't be afraid to put your own spin on things. The YouTube algorithm rewards originality, high retention, and frequent uploads. So focus on delivering value to your viewers and building a brand that stands out. Engage with your audience in the comments, ask for feedback, and use analytics to refine your approach over time. In conclusion, the viral animal short strategy is one of the most powerful opportunities on YouTube right now. With the right AI tools and a repeatable workflow, you can launch a faceless channel, grow fast, and potentially earn life-changing income. If you're ready to get started, follow the steps in this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or share your own results if you've tried the strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the future of content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.